used from a local car lot. The previous owner had been anxious to sell it. I knew what to look for. It's not the first truck I've bought, but I sensed a backstory and no one would tell it. I purchased it in spite of that. I ignored my intuition and we bonded right away. He became my best pal. I threw my gear in his bed. That very day we went fishing. Who could have thought he'd be capable of something so foul? Something so foul. The first sign of trouble came when I took the truck home, and my wife climbed up into the passenger seat. He softened the intensity of the light in his dome, and ever so gently he raised up the heat. Instantly my wife had this infatuation with the truck, which felt dirty and terribly wrong. And then I noticed that he had changed the radio station to one that was playing her favorite song. Her favorite song. I think my truck wants to fuck my wife. That's just my luck, the story of my life. The two people for whom I most care behind my back have a tawdry affair. I think my truck wants to fuck my wife, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think my truck wants to fuck my beautiful wife, and my wife wants to fuck my truck too. I think my wife wants to fuck my truck too. I know it sounds crazy, like some paranoid delusion, but if you'd seen the things I've seen, you'd reach the same conclusion. They're not very subtle. They've been dropping lots of hints. When my wife gets in the truck, only her window tints. I caught her last night in our two-car garage. She was waxing my truck naked like she was giving a massage. I took the truck back to the lot where I bought it, and I demanded that they come clean about the previous owner. They said he told him he heard moaning from the driveway and caught it using its parking brake on his wife like a boner. I said, my God, this truck's possessed. You should have warned prospective buyers. You need to give me back my money. I'm protected by law. They said, calm down, think it over. You love the truck, it's got new tires. Maybe open up your mind. You ever heard of Menage a Trois? Menage a Trois. So I traded it back in on some generic truck or other, but it saddened me greatly. It nearly brought me to tears. My wife was apoplectic. She acted like I killed her mother. Her reaction seemed to justify the darkest of my fears. I said, maybe we could try this. There's no downside if we fail. Maybe other couples do this. I just know there has to be some. I went back to the dealership and our boy was still for sale. So I bought him back and took him home, and now we have ourselves a threesome. Now my truck likes to fuck my wife. That's just my luck, the story of my life. He's not a human being, but make no mistake, he really knows how to use his parking brake. My truck likes to fuck my wife. and I'll join them after I've had a few. Yeah, my truck likes to fuck my hot, sexy wife, and my wife likes to fuck us both too. Yeah, my wife likes to fuck us both too.